Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending. So firstly, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can simply turn on airplane mode for a while. Okay, here we go. Then turn it off again. And then if your Wi-Fi is not working, you can turn on your cellular data. So this is one of the causes why your WhatsApp messages might not send. Now, simply open App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device and then search for WhatsApp. Now, tap open the app on top. Then you have to make sure that your app is updated to its latest version. If you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated. If your app is not updated, you may face certain problems regarding the application. So, this is one of the major causes why your WhatsApp messages is not sending. So, another step that you can follow is just go back to your phone's home screen. Then, tap Open Settings app on your mobile device. Now, over here, tap on the option of General if you are using iPhone. Then, tap Open iPhone Storage. Now over here, tap on WhatsApp. Here we go. Now tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again at the bottom. By doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from the application. Now tap on Reinstall App and then wait for some time until your application is being reinstalled. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to fix your issue. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.